Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tire inflators available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium pick, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Hipom Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This affordable option is packed with features that make it a standout for budget-conscious buyers. With a 150 psi motor, this inflator offers 5x faster inflation, taking just 40 seconds to go from 30 to 35 psi. It's powered by a robust 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, which can inflate up to 6 car tires on a single charge. In case of emergencies, it also supports dual power via a 12V cigarette lighter socket. The design is highly portable and compact, making it easy to store in your vehicle or backpack. It features 5 smart inflation modes, including custom settings, and automatically shuts off when the desired pressure is reached. Plus, the built-in LED light offers 3 modes for nighttime use, and it doubles as a power bank with USB ports for charging your devices. While the Hipom inflator is an impressive budget option, it does have limitations. It's not suitable for heavy-duty tasks like inflating large tires or air mattresses. Additionally, its plastic construction may not feel as durable as premium models. However, for the price, it's an excellent choice for occasional use and emergency situations. Coming in at number 4 is the Astro AI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This mid-range option delivers a solid blend of durability and performance. Thanks to Astro AI's Tough Ultra technology, the inflator's core components are built for enhanced durability, extending its service life by up to 30%. It's capable of quick inflation with a maximum pressure of 100 psi and an airflow capacity of 35 liters per second, making it ideal for car, bike, and sports ball inflation. The design is compact and lightweight, allowing it to fit easily into glove compartments or trunks. The programmable inflation feature lets you preset the desired pressure, and the device automatically shuts off when the target is reached. The backlit screen and built-in flashlight make it convenient for nighttime use, adding to its versatility. While the Astro AI inflator is a reliable performer, it's corded, which may limit mobility compared to cordless models. Additionally, it operates at a slightly higher noise level of 80 dB. However, for its affordable price and durable build, it's a great choice for those who need a dependable inflator for regular use. At number 3, we have the Neverland Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This versatile device offers precise inflation and a long-lasting 20,000 mAh lithium battery, making it perfect for extended use. It can inflate a car tire from 30 to 36 psi in just 1 minute, with a maximum pressure of 150 psi and plus-minus 1 psi accuracy. The auto shutoff feature ensures safety and prevents overinflation. The Neverland inflator stands out for its user-friendly design. It features a bright LCD screen, memory function, and built-in LED work light with multiple modes. It also doubles as an emergency power bank for phones and tablets via USB output, adding to its functionality. The included cigarette lighter adapter ensures you're always covered, whether at home or on the road. While the Neverland inflator is a reliable performer, it's slightly heavier compared to other portable options, weighing 1.9 pounds. Additionally, its higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. However, for those seeking a durable, multifunctional inflator with excellent battery life, this is a fantastic pick. At number 2, we have the Airmodo Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Known for its sleek design and powerful performance, this inflator offers quick inflation with precision accuracy up to 120 psi. It's a cordless model powered by a rechargeable 2,000 mAh battery, making it highly convenient for on-the-go use. The auto shutoff feature ensures safety and eliminates the need to monitor the inflation process. The Airmodo inflator is compact and lightweight, fitting easily into your glove box or trunk. It includes multiple adapters for various uses, from car and bicycle tires to sports equipment. The built-in LED flashlight and large LCD screen make it ideal for use in low-light conditions, while the deflate button adds versatility. On the downside, The Airmoto Inflator has a smaller airflow capacity of 20 lpm, which may not be the fastest option for larger tires. Additionally, its battery life can be affected by cold weather. However, for its portability, ease of use, and reliable performance, it's a great choice for everyday users. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the DeWalt Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. As a premium option, this inflator is built for heavy-duty performance and versatility. It features 3 power sources, 20-volt max battery, 12-volt DC, and 110-volt AC, making it suitable for both job site and on-the-go use. With a maximum pressure of 160 psi, it handles everything from car and bike tires to high-pressure inflatables. The DeWalt Inflator boasts excellent build quality, with heavy-duty rubber feet that reduce vibration and walking during use. The threaded chuck ensures a secure connection to valves, while the onboard accessory storage adds convenience. It also includes high-volume inflation and deflation modes, making it versatile for various needs. The main drawback is the price, as it's the most expensive option on this list. Additionally, batteries are not included, which adds to the overall cost. However, for professionals and serious users who demand top-tier performance and durability, the DeWalt Inflator is worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're looking to purchase any of the products mentioned, check out the links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.